Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start your fourth chapter of maths, that is numbers up to 50. In this chapter we will learn about the numbers and number names up to 50, place value, numbers before, after and between, comparing and ordering numbers. So listen Rajay, this is same as the previous chapter, as your first chapter that we were discussed in the previous video. The only difference is in that video we were discuss the numbers up to 20, but in this video we will discuss the numbers up to 50. So let's start with the Part 1, numbers and number names up to 50. See Rajay, these are numbers up to 10. 1, O-N-E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is 11 to 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All these numbers we were discussed in the last video. Now let's start with the next number names. Start from 21. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. O-N-E 1, 21. 22, the number name of 22 is 22. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20, T-W-O 2. And so on. The last number name of this line is 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. Next, 31 to 50. 31. The number name of 31 is 31. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. O-N-E 1. 31. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Next, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So all these are number names up to 50. You have to learn the number names of each number up to 50. Now let's start the second part of our chapter, that is place value. Place value. So listen Rajay, like in the previous video, same in this video, we will discuss the place value of ones and tens, because in this chapter we will only discuss about the numbers up to 50. Numbers up to 50 has only 2 digits. Only 2 digits. So the place value is ones and tens. Ones and tens. For example, 2, 7, 27. The place value is 7 is ones. Place value of 2 is tens. Because we start writing the place value from the right hand side. From the right hand side. So 2, 7, 27. 7 is on right hand side. So the place value of 7 is ones and place value of 2 is tens. One more example, 15. The place value of 5 is ones because 5 is on right hand side. The place value of 1 is tens because 1 is on left hand side. Next part, numbers after, before, between. See Rajay, what number comes after 1? After 1. After means next number. After means next number. So what comes after 1? 2. Answer is 2. This is called after numbers. Next is before. What comes before 30? Before means previous number. Previous number. What comes before 30? 29. One more example of after. What comes after 8? Answer is 9. What comes before 13 and 15? You know very well. 13, 14, 15. It means answer is 14. 10. What comes between 10 and 12? 10, 11, 12. So answer is 11. Now see Rajay, first picture, what comes between 1 and 3? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it means answer is 2. 2 comes between 1 and 3. What comes between 3 and 5? Answer is 4. What comes between 6 and 8? Answer is 7. Next is what comes between 8 and 10? Answer is 9. What comes between 7 and 9? Answer is 8. 8 comes between 7 and 9. All these are the examples of between. Now Rajay, the next part is fourth part. Compare the numbers. Compare the numbers means which number is the biggest and which number is the smallest. So these are the signs of large, small and same. First sign is greater than, second sign is equals to, third sign is less than. Greater than, less than, equals to. You have to remember the signs, Rajay. Now in this picture, in the first picture, count the animals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 lions. And in the second picture, 5 animals. So, which set has fewer? Fewer means less. Answer is set B. Set B. 5 is greater than 2. Greater than means bigger number. 5 is bigger than 2. 2 is less than 6. It means 2 is smaller than 6. 3 equals to 3. It means both the numbers are same. Now see Rajay. In this example, suppose 2 friends. There are 2 friends. One friend has 35 lollipops and second friend has 4 chocolates. So who has more? Of course, the friend who have 35 lollipops have the more. So you have to put the sign towards the 35. Next is the same example of the previous chapter. Greater than. Birds are sitting on the tree. In the first picture, 2 birds are sitting. In the second, 1 bird is sitting on a tree. So on which tree? In the first picture, So Rajay, in the first picture, 2 birds are greater than 1 bird. Now second picture, there are 2 flower pots. First flower pot has 2 flowers. Second flower pot has only 1 flower. So which group has less? It means second group has less. Third picture, both the bowls contain the same number of fruits. So it means both are equal. Both are equal. Next is ordering numbers. Ordering numbers means arranging the numbers from the smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest. So when we arrange the numbers smallest to biggest, it is called increasing order. Or when we arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest, it is called decreasing order. Now the ascending and descending order of numbers. See Rajay, when we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest, like in this example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is known as ascending order. And when we arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest, like in this example, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, this is known as descending order. So Rajay, this is all about your 4th chapter. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.